get a precision genetic test, you get these booklets, and one booklet shows you all the foods that help you with weight loss and the foods that help you with overall health. And the cool thing is you can take that list and you can feed it, pun intended, see that a recipe contains whatever, 5, 7, 10 of the ingredients that are dialed in for you, even find ingredient substitutions based on your precision genetic results, and really dial in your diet but still eat food that doesn't taste like healthy cardboard. So it's a real cool way to unlock a whole new world of eating healthy. Number one recipe that you gotta try from this book is my world famous crispy skin chicken recipe. It's sweet, it's spicy. I like it because like 6 of the ingredients, from the honey to the olive oil to the cayenne, all are A+ foods on my genetic testing results. So it's a great book, and if you get it, definitely eat the crispy chicken.